Alright, in this video we're going to be unboxing the Logitech G710 mechanical keyboard. This is my first true mechanical keyboard, so I'm excited to get this unboxed and take a look at it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Nice blue box. So we got the keyboard. Get that pulled out. Comes with a really thick cable here. You can actually see it actually has two USB ports. I think it might be because there are USB ports on the keyboard itself, or maybe it just draws that much power. We'll take a look at that in a second. Let's see what else we have here in the box. We have a wrist guard, just a plain plastic wrist guard. And here we have the user's guide. Safety guide. So that's everything in the box. Let's take a look at the keyboard here. There's a really thick USB cable going into the back of it, that's for sure. You can see how thick that is. But yeah, it definitely does it has an extra USB port there, which is probably why you have two cables, so you have enough power for the keyboard and also to power whatever USB device you plug in there. So that's kind of nice. You can plug stuff, I assume you could probably maybe plug your mouse into that. So here it is. First keyboard, or mechanical keyboard. You can tell by the keys. You can tell by the sound of them that it's a true mechanical keyboard. This is backlit, so I'll get this hooked in too and kind of give a review, type on it for a little bit, give you a review of how it works. You got the WASD grayed out here in a different color. You have some macro keys over here that you can assign different things to, which is very nice for gaming, so you can assign different keys to those. Let's see what else we got here. Got some more function keys up here at the top. And then over here you have a little volume slider, which is kind of nice. That way you can slide it up and down, mute. Some media control keys, full number pad, which is always nice. Very good build. It's definitely a very thick plastic, very heavy. I love the sound of it there. You do have some very notable branding here. You know, it's got the model number real big, but at least it looks pretty cool. But yeah, you definitely know what model your keyboard is, that's for sure. Alright, let me take a look here real quick at the box, just see if there's any information on here. Let's see. There we go. So it's 110 key, 26 key rollover, game mode and desktop mode, which is probably the ability to disable the Windows key, so when you're gaming you don't jump out of the game. Media controls, which we looked at. 6 programmable keys over here. They are Cherry MX Blue switches. That's what I was looking for. I should have noted by the color branding, but yeah, these are Cherry MX Blue keys. Which again, I'm not super familiar with mechanical keyboards, as this is my first unboxing. Prior to this, I've done just kind of knockoff versions of that. So I'm excited to type with these. I can already tell, like, you can just feel the quality of them is a lot better. And then these, oh, here we go. Here's the buttons to control the adjustable backlighting. So like I said, I'll get this plugged in and we'll test it out for a little while and give you my thoughts on it. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the G710 Logitech keyboard. Stay tuned for my full review.